Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete saved password on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When you enter password in the subvariant on your Mac over to save it, it'll be saving to an app called Keychain Access. This is useful if you don't want to remember every password you have. In my previous video, I've shown you how to find the password manager or save password on your MacBook and how to add account. Now I will show you how to delete. You can open your system preferences and go to password. You can enter your MacBook password. From here, you can just choose on the account that you want to delete from this password manager. Now, for the example, I will just try to delete this one, remove this account. To delete, you can just click on here, minus icon in there. Or if you just want to edit, you can just click on edit and you can edit the information of your account. Because you want to delete, you can just tap on delete, click on delete password. So the account will be removed from your password manager. So simple, right? So that is how to delete password on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.